Hello and welcome back to my channel Biolavlogy. We are again continuing with the chapter Life Processes. In the previous part, we have already covered autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. In unicellular and organisms, we have already covered heterotrophic nutrition. And today we are going to do the digestive system. So in order to understand what happens, so the food enters through the buccal cavity. Here the chewing happens, and then the food moves through esophagus into the stomach, where the food is digested, and for what we will come back to that. And then it moves here into the through the duodenum. It moves here into the small intestine. Now in the small intestine, the gallbladder uh, through its bile duct puts the biliary juices, the pancreatic juices all come here, and the food is further digested, and the completely digested food is again reabsorbed through the small intestine, and the undigested food moves to the large intestine and comes out through the anus as feces. So this is the crux of it, but for exam we have to know certain things about it. So the first thing we should need to know are these. These are very important. So what happens is, this is for exam. So in the mouth there is saliva. Saliva has an enzyme known as salivary amylase. Salivary amylase breaks down starch. There are other enzymes as well, but for class 10 we are only concerned for this one. Then in the esophagus nothing happens, but in the stomach there is a mucus lining which protects the stomach from HCl, because the stomach is also made of protein, right? And HCl breaks down the chains of the protein. So the HCl, or the hydrochloric acid, acts on the food and all the protein is broken down. Then the pepsin acts on the protein to digest it. And the food moves forward to the small intestine through an action known as peristalsis. And the food will never go back because there are sphincters that only allows one way movement. So in the small intestine, pancreatic amylase will digest the starch, the remaining starch. Trypsin and chymotrypsin will digest the protein, and the contents of the fat will present in the food. First the bile will act on the fat, and it will change into emulsified fats. This emulsified or small droplets of fat will be again acted by lipase in the small intestine, and it will change into fatty acids and glycerol. We will continue in the next part. That's it for now. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.